My little kids, and good afternoon to my all parents. Okay, today ma'am is going to teach you English subject. Okay, and ma'am is going to introduction new letter. Okay, ma'am is going to introduction new letter. So you have to see carefully. Okay, see, today we are going to learn new letter. Okay, which letter? New letter. So now see here, introduction of letter. Introduction of letter. See, letter. Which letter? Let's start. See, you don't have to write. Okay, this is just a oral part. You have to just identify letters. No need to write. No need to write in your notebook. This is just a oral part. I am just explaining you. I am just showing you the letter, and you have to identify. Okay, don't write in your notebook. Just do a oral part. Oral. Okay, because we are learning new letter means you have to do only identify and oral. No writing in your notebook. Okay. Now see. Standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is letter F. Which letter is this? This is letter F. See, if you are learning letter means which subject? English subject. So your ma'am is teaching you English subject. Okay, which subject? English subject. See, this is letter F. And do you know what stand for letter F? F for, what is this? Fish. F for fish. F for fish. This is fish. See, you can make fish also. See, fish is moving. This is fish. Okay, what is this? Fish. F for fish. Just oral part. Okay, don't write in your notebook. You have to just do a oral part. Okay. F for fish. Do like this. मछली चलती रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, कुकर में डालो पक जाएगी, बिल्ली आकर खा जाएगी. Yes, yes. See, wow, very nice Hindi rhymes. This is fish. And do you know where does fish live? Fish live in water. Where does fish live? Fish live in water. F for fish. Which letter is this? F. Which letter is this? F. F for fish. And F for, what is this? What is this? F for fan. F A N fan. F for fan. Pankha. Okay, let's sing one more rhymes. Okay, but Hindi rhymes. ऊपर पंखा चलती है, नीचे बेबी सोती है, सोती सोती भूख लगी, खा लो बेबी मूंगफली, मूंगफली में दाना नहीं, हम तुम्हारा मामा नहीं. Yes. So this is fan. F for fan. F for fan. F for fan. F for fish. मछली. F for fish. Fish live in water. Okay. And F for fan. See, when you feel very hot, we use fan. letters and what stand for letter F. Okay? Which letter is this? This is letter F. Which letter is this? This is letter F. And F for, Mama will ask you, F for fish. F for fan. F for fish. F for fan. F for fish. F for fan. Okay? So, please oral this one. Okay? You have learned new letters. Letter F. So, you have to identify letter F with 2 pictures. Okay? Now, see, we have already learned so many letters, right? So, today I am going to give you worksheet of that letter. Okay? You have already learned letter, right? So, we'll be doing worksheet. Okay? This one you have to note down in your which notebook? English notebook. Okay? Which notebook? English notebook. Okay? So, let's start. Circle. What you have to do? Circle. Circling. Okay? Circle the correct letter. Circle the correct letter. What you have to do is you need to identify the picture and you have to circle the letter what stand for this picture. Okay? Now this is ice cream. So A for ice cream? No ma'am. B for ice cream? No ma'am. I for ice cream. So you will circle letter I. In this way you need to complete your worksheet. Okay? You need to draw these pictures. You will not make the pictures. Mama will make the pictures. Okay? And you will identify the letter with the related pictures and you will circle it. Okay? Now see. Since from so many months we are learning letters, we are learning circle, we are learning matching, right? Now Mama will not help you. You need to identify yourself and you need to do your work yourself. Mama will just explain you. Okay? Dear parents, now let your child circle, match it themselves. You just explain them. You just make pictures for them so that they will do themselves. We'll check their mind whether they have understand or not. Let them do themselves. You just make pictures for them, pictures and letter for them, and just explain them once and let them do themselves, because we have to test their mind also whether they have understand or not. So from today onwards what you will do is we'll let them do themselves. Once we'll explain them and they will do themselves. Okay? So now see, circle the correct letter. We'll see the picture and we'll circle the correct letter. What stand for? Picture number 1, ice cream. I for ice cream. So we'll circle letter I. Okay? Now number this one. What is this? This is hand. Which picture is this? This is hand. Kukuduku. What is this? This is hand. Now tell me what stand for hand? This one picture. C for hand? No ma'am. D for hand? No ma'am. So which we have to see the pictures also. Okay, what you have to do, we have to see the pictures also. See, please note down this one in your notebook. Note down this one in your notebook. Okay, you have to write also in your notebook. Okay, what you have to do, you have to note down in your notebook also. Okay, okay, so now you have completed this one, right? You have completed this one. Yes, you have complete. Okay, now next come. What is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. So, F for fish. No. E for fish. No. Then which letter will come? F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. So, you will circle letter F. Please, you need to note down in your English notebook. Okay. Now, which picture is this? This is? Which picture is this? Elephant. Which picture is this? Elephant. So, which letter will come? L for elephant? No. A for elephant? No. So, which letter will come? E. E for elephant. So, you will circle letter E. So, in this way, you need to complete this one. Okay, this is your worksheet. You need to note down in your English notebook. Okay, see, you have to identify the picture. What is this? This is ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Then you will circle letter I. What is this? This is hand. So, H for hand. H for hand. So, you will circle letter H. Okay. Then, what is this? This is fish. What is this? This is fish. Say F for fish. F for fish. What is this? This is fish. F for fish. F for fish. Now, which letter is this? This is E. Which letter is this? This is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. So, you will circle letter E. Okay, this is your worksheet which we need to do in your English notebook. Okay, now see, we'll identify few letters. Okay, we'll identify few letters. Okay. Okay, can you identify which letter is this? Which letter is this? This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now next, which letter is this? Which letter is this? This is letter F. F for fish. Fish. Which letter is this? F. Which letter is this? F. F for fish. Okay. See. E for elephant. Do with accent. Elephant. F for fish. This is fish. Okay. Now, which letter is this? Can you identify which letter is this? H. H for hand. Kukuruku. H for hand. Kukuruku. Right? See. We have learned letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, and letter E, and letter F, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, we have already learned this letter A, B, C, D, E, and F. And we have written letter L and T in your notebook, right? L and T in your notebook, right? See, this is just an oral part, and this is L and T. You have already done in your notebook rest. This is written work. This one L and T you have to write in your notebook. You have already done, right? These are just oral part, but this one you have to write in your L and T in your notebook. I think you have already wrote, right? So if you have written, then very good. Okay. See, we have learned so many letters. Yes. See, we have learned E letter, F letter, H letter. We have learned A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes. And then we have written L and T letter also, right? Wow, we are learning so many letters. So, what you have to do is, you need to revise every day, okay? You need to revise every day, okay? If you will not revise, then you will forget. So, revision is very important, okay? Don't think that you have already learned and you will not read that again. No, revision work is very important. You need to revise, okay? See, F. Yes, F for fish. And F for fan. This is fan, pankha, okay? F-A-N, fan. F-I-S-H, fish. Just note down this one in your copy. This is just a oral part, okay? This is only oral. Okay, this is just a F for fish, F for fan. And this is written work. You need to write in your notebook, okay? Finish? Just write in your notebook. Complete? Okay, so you need to practice, okay? Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy and please wash your hand frequently. And don't put your finger inside your nose and don't put your hand inside your mouth. Okay, you need to wash your hand. And don't rub your eyes. No, you will get infection. Don't rub your eyes and don't put your fingers inside your ear. Okay, you need to keep yourself very safe from virus. Okay, we need to stay clean. We need to take bath and we need to drink hot water, and don't forget to drink milk before going to sleep. Okay, you need to drink milk also. Okay, and eat green vegetable and obey your mama and papa. You have to listen to your mama and papa. Okay, bye bye. Take care of yourself.